Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. So I've got a funnel here, and this is part of a funnel that I created a while ago. This is another page that I created a while ago, but I've updated the funnel and why this funnel has been working so well for me. And I know I haven't been putting it out my YouTube channel that much, and there's a reason for that, because this is not really this is not a funnel that I feel is required for social media particularly, or for YouTube or whatever. This is more purpose. This whole purpose of a funnel is for cold traffic, and it really works. It really is high converting. I put this on traffic exchanges, mailers, credit mailers, and it really delivers, because you're getting the value. It's like a lead magnet, and you're giving something away for free. And then these splash pages, they look really nice. They're eye-catching. They work well on traffic exchanges, and there's plenty of them. And you could stick these in a kind of a rotator, so that you could use Leadsleep, for example, to rotate. So you're sending out one link, but they're going through, and you can see which one performs best. Yeah. So yeah, there's a lot of different variations of this. There's eight splash pages, and what they do is when you click the link, they go straight. It's a splash page. It's not a lead capture page. This is the lead capture page here, and they go straight onto this page. But I've recently created this page yesterday, and this is nice. It's all designed to help people, who are looking to work from home, make money, and the purpose of this funnel is for putting your income streams in there, putting whatever you're passionate about inside the funnel. Literally, that's it. And I want you to see what I'm putting in here, simply because it'll give you ideas of how you can potentially work with this. So it's got a lot in here, but it's not overwhelming, and that's the purpose of a funnel. A large funnel like this needs to have plenty in here, so that you're covering every base, leaving no stone unturned. And what I like to do is, there's a science behind a funnel. A lot of people just load up their pages or funnels with too much stuff, and it'll end up backfiring, and no one's going to end up taking action in what you are doing, because you've got too much stuff on there. They'll take one look at that page and think, crikey, exhausting. I don't want to do anything with that. But this goes into the funnel gently. So you've got a way to contact your upline, your sponsor. It's got some steps to go through. It's got your main primary businesses and something that you're passionate about or whatever. And then it goes into step 2, which is I've put in particularly marketing tools or income systems. But particularly I put in marketing tools because you can add more stuff into those marketing tools. So actually, this funnel as a whole, when you look at the marketing systems that I've added in here, if you count all those systems up, you've actually got about 30 income streams. But it's done in a kind of a way that kind of opens up gradually, so it doesn't feel overwhelming. So and then you can go to the share code. But if you go back to the main bridge page, then you can go to the income steps there. You can go to the funnel steps, the funnel setup, and you can get the share codes of the pages. You've got the opt-in. The screenshots might look a bit different to what we've got now. I've updated it, and I've sort of streamlined it a bit more. I've added more of my recent programs that I'm passionate about, including prosperity marketing system and a few others. So check it out. And then it goes to the bridge page. Again, I've streamlined it so it looks a bit better and different. We had other things in there. I mean, the reason why I took things like my lead gen secret out there, because I didn't feel there was much point in sending them directly to something like that, because they're already in the marketing systems that I'm sending them out on, if you see what I mean. So you go into those marketing systems, you'll see my lead gen secret, for example. And also, it didn't need to have Leadsleep here, because Leadsleep is actually on the share code page right at the top here. So we've already got Leadsleep here. They've got to join you in Leadsleep. So that's there. So I've kind of streamlined it, made it less overwhelming, and then you've got the follow-up emails. And if you're a pro member of Leadsleep, you can just bring in the entire funnel with one single share code in one fell swoop. You've still got to bring in the email follow-up series, but yeah. And also, this video will walk you through pretty much the whole process But don't get confused, because this video was talking about how to set it up the way it was, and I've updated it so it might look a bit different. So don't come to me and say mine's looking a bit different to yours. Yes, I mean, I'm not going to change my. I spent a lot of time on this training, so I'm not going to just create a brand new training just because I've tweaked my funnel a little bit, and I might tweak it again as and when I put in different new programs, because this is my page. When you get the share codes, you can put in your stuff. So don't judge me about what I've put in here. They're fantastic, trust me. So check them out. But just know that you can put your stuff in here. So I'm giving away this, guys, for free. Unbelievable. Can't believe I'm doing this. I'm kicking myself. I should be charging for this. But you're getting all these pages plus all these templates that you can use. I haven't added this to the share code page. You can ask me for this. This is brand new, so you can ask me for this and reach out to me. That's what it's all about. So you can reach out to me either as you go through the funnel. You can contact me down here. That's what it's all about, guys. Get in touch with me, and if you know how to get in touch with me, just do that. But I'm not for people who just want to skip everything and then just contact me and just shortcut everything. Don't do that. Just go through the funnel, pay attention, take an interest in what I'm doing. That's why I'm putting this stuff out there. I'm not just Mr. Giveaway for free. I'm doing this because I want to build my business, and what you guys are here because you want to build your business. So if I'm just giving you a lot of free stuff and to help you make money, that doesn't make sense. So I'm not saying that you have to join me and stuff. I'm just saying that if you want my stuff, consider partnering up with me. That's what I'm saying. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Thanks very much, and come on through. You check out. I'm not going to send my direct link to these pages. Get onto my mailing list. Get onto my mailing list, and because otherwise you'll miss stuff. I'm always bringing out new share codes and funnels and designs and tutorials. People come to me a lot. So people said, "How do you create these AI images that you're creating on social media?" And I just send them a video, because it's all on my YouTube channel, guys. It's all here. So give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and pay attention to what I'm putting out there, because everything that I'm documenting, it's on my channel, because it's important to me to have a good channel here up. I've just hit 10,000 subscribers now plus, and I'm looking to get to 20,000 and beyond in as quickly as possible, because my YouTube channel has really helped me to market my businesses. So and actually, guys, in the prosperity marketing system, which is actually on my page here, so if you join the prosperity marketing system here, click this link, you'll get access to my training. You'll get access to my training. I've got YouTube training, I've got AI training. I've personally put that in there, and a number of other training tools. And you can get 100% commissions by promoting that stuff and my share codes and other things within that system. 100% commissions. It's not my system, but I've done a lot of custom work for the members in my downline. That's the power of this prosperity marketing system, is if you upgrade to the owner level, you can put in your own stuff and decide. It's basically a downline builder, and you got about 15 things you can do in there, like different business opportunities, traffic sources, recommendations. And if you don't like any of the traffic sources in there, you can either delete it or add your own, replace it with your preferred business, so that your downline are encouraged to join what you want them to join. Customize it. So this is a good platform to join. So check out all my stuff, check it all out, and love to be working with you. Thanks for watching. See you on the inside, and bye for now.